Wounds can occur due to dogs biting at their skin, jumping over, or digging under fences. In this situation, dog wounds treatments are best choice for you. They help to prevent any sort of infection in your dog and provide safe, happy and active life. They have fast-acting and long-lasting formulas that reduce inflammation, promote healing and reduce pain. In order to help you to find out the right one, we have selected and reviewed best treatments for dog wounds. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. The Theasin Dog Wound Care Spray. This non-irritating and sting-free spray can heal and repair dog cuts, abrasions, sores and skin irritations. This first aid essential works great on all sizes of dogs at all life stages and help to provide relief from skin problems. It is made with non-toxic hypochlorous technology that is pH balanced and safe if licked by dog. It is veterinarian recommended wound healing spray that is anxiety-free, cost-effective and alternative to antibiotic or steroid ointments. It can clean your pet wound without causing damage to the healthy tissue that helps repair and heal the injured skin. Number 2. Forp Hotspot Treatment. It has plant-based ingredients that promote healing of cuts, wounds and scrapes and gives your dog quick relief from pain. It provides fast and effective treatment that helps to relieve your pet itching and scratching that is caused by bacteria or fungi. It is pH balanced, alcohol-free and antibiotic-free kit that can solve the problems of burning, stinging or irritation during application. It acts quickly and helps to bring relief in raw skin, hot spots, cuts and scratches without the stinging effects, and helps to soothe irritated skin. It is safe to use from puppies to adults for its safe and happy life, as it is free from harsh chemicals. Number 3. Pet MD Hydrocortisone Spray. It is hydrocortisone spray that provides rapid relief from skin irritations, itching, wounds and other skin problems. It reduces inflammation and redness, and helps to stop the cycle of scratching and biting. It is non-stinging formula that is free from fragrance or dyes and helps to provide relief from itching without causing further irritation to the skin. It is made of natural ingredients and safe for use on dogs, cats and horses. Number 4. Pet Silver Wound and Skin Spray. This spray is made of 2 natural ingredients that create a protective layer over top of wounds areas, abrasions, hot spots, rashes and more. It is 100% non-toxic and safe formula that is free from sting, and it provides the healthy healing process and recovery times. It gives your dog safe, happy and healthy life by giving soothe and calmness to irritated and itchy skin. It is free from steroids, alcohol, or harmful propylene glycol, therefore it is safe for kittens and puppies. It effectively stops pets from licking and chewing skin, bandages and wounds and helps to provide safe and happy life for your dog. Number 5. Absorption Wounds Care Ointment. It has effective and natural ingredients that provides rapid healing from wounds on all animals and all species. It provides protection from any types of infection and gives your dog safe and happy life. It has antibiotic-free medical-grade ingredients that can kill 99% of germs immediately. It can soothe discomfort and helps to provide long-lasting protection and moisturizes with this formula that is tough on bacteria and gentle on skin. It provides quick relief from pain and provides protection against any types of germs and bacteria and gives active and happy life.